Abusiafo, me mo bibia kwaba de bagency and page so maybe at the adroa searching. That's how artist Shatawale and the name drum the ye papa. Ye can't end to form wajidin e wagana hanoma, yentumi Shatawale ni di emfi. Wajidin ye papa. Na Shata e de enkra e masewa amiye a oye juma e wo GH1. Na enkra Shata e de e masewa ni na ne se. Sewa e disturb no with ne hips no, ne figure no, na hofe no. Sewa e disturb yo ne Shatawale na chese oje ne ho a enje. Na sa caption ya Shatawale e de e posti e wo ne Twitter page na atwen adwen esi so se Shatawale e pe ema omo e wo caves. Omo e wo ton Shata e pe papa because e beka ya Wendy say Shata e pe Wendy na say because of ne caves nti a also person worry Wendy anytime you on Wendy jina ho a o person so ne tumi na ade Shata ye hu the kind of nipa oye caption ya Shata e dia be ye hu the kind of emba Shata epe na the kind of emba Shata epe say o worry emba Shata epe e yo mo caves na eto bebre no na nansen ye beka ya Shata e de ne ndwum bi eba out a ne title no ye Hajia Bintu na sa Hajia e yo ba bi a ye nim no from social media na our caves e go to papa Shata hu no se kai game de ne be bondo because me de me pemba am woto Shata e ye sa atro ndwom e fa Hajia Bintu no ho e de adwumi e ba out ndwom no so e ba gd e ye nice song pa anya asem ketwa o de Hajia na so e na etwa music video na just amafo aka ho nsem aka na se wa me here o ye adwuma e wo GH1 program bi ekoso and I say program bi ekoso e wo GH1 na what ni din the next TV star Endra e na eye final na sewa e na o host sa program no na Endra sewa ne dress no de e ba show ni so na dofo enya sem kitu akra atare e hye ne de wi ne caps na si eyi na de wi sewa no ho ayefe no Shata hu ye osidabi gay yo tete mekra o tete mabra ba de nti na maame awo me na wo de wa ho ofe tete me sa enti sewa Shata se yemfa sa enkrai enfe ma so no de ade na ni chia ne oba o caps oba o woto nti o gigi na ono so ba gigi wo na adofo yenti ensem a Shata etro e de eto ni Twitter page a o chese sewa me here e gigi no Shata chese why is sewa me here spoiling my eyes with her caves like that. I can't even concentrate. Today this judging the nature say what me here e de neto no e ha Shata anti Shata so want me fan hye na owu into waka.
Everybody won. You want to go and take two, why? You want to go and take two, why? Tell us why.
Like, there's a pussy lifestyle. Fucking cash. Yeah. I'm not in a rush, for anything, Y'all say, like, you here, you there, and blah, blah, and shit like that. But, yo, you only get seen, like, the world is recognizing this shit like it's crazy, man. It's a miracle. You understand me? Then you catch anywhere. Nigeria said, then they stop playing your music. You understand? You come hustle day inside for your fee. I see. Me and you take, I'm saying. So if you get problem, you for link me. You get me? For call me your nigga. Me and you get this problem. I don't go be like a pussy, like a bitch. Then you won't go this on my, top shot test them out there. Yo, Bernard, everywhere you moving in Ghana, I know about it. Like everywhere you did right now, me I know. You understand me? Cause if I come like that way, you say you know everywhere I did, I would trust you for that. You get me? So anybody you talk to, it'll go like this. I did hear, yeah. Me in Ghana with this, me I be like MTN for Ghana. The networks they go through me. Fucking everybody. So don't be talking to people like don't try. I don't even understand. See, that's why I take us of that and message you for IG and things. They pick how they do it. Nigga, you be funny, like why? That's why I'm using the bitch for you, like because you behaving like a bitch. And talk brother, say brother, why you go talk this? Why make me laugh about time safe? Like you talk say you be homeless, so me I take care of you and I do this. Like oh my nigga, like my chi, like you like if
no onkoye ni yie o obi obaje oba onko tete ni yie what you say me can't see biem when you allow a 14 years boy a 15 years boy to drink Smirnoff Ice, which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kwalani di 18 na die no obeye. Sa kwalani di 18 na die na sa kwalani obeye. We should be bia. It was a way as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa wonsa ye. Madam, uton nsu a unye kurase ni o uton nsu a. Let me just remind you something. Mama min kai mu bibi ketuwa bi. Me ame papa say Kwame Despite. He is, if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one, if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Wayeden otonchine. You two are your dated souls. Any dear. Otonchine. Na wo wadi I was wintimi ndonchine. O wadi. O wadi I was wintimi ndonchine. Dr. Osei Kwame Despite. Oton enchine. He sells salt. For one say duma na ye duma wuda. Uye duma wuda. Dr. Oforisapon specialize here on the 30 year. Ensure. Why the would catch Dr. Oforisapon? Oton yen, oton sio. Ano pepe kasa chira wajune. Oton sio. Oton sio. Obi humia. And I want to be your mommy. And I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I'm strongly against Obidineba. Na ujana no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una betimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you need to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now there you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now a panjarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. Pray. May cancer subium. Raise your kids. Do something. Do something. A yen pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. That is what you have to do something. What I say? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba so. That is I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a baby and jaw back and fan koma will be emanin sen. What I say? And jaw back and fan koma will be emanin sen. Emanin sen. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de mbeka ya no no. Ko to amen komoso why? De mbeka ya no no. Ko to amen komoso. Me sa kesi so. Obi de bejawa. Hweni yie. Titini yie. Me house girls grab me no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy ya feel. Mommy ya feel Mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house, we raise heroes and champions by the grace of God. Obi denied the Jawa, Shasuye. Obi Adiesuya, Ebeyawodia. That is for a fact. So, Obi Adiama now Shasuya, you end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What do you say? Nyamisha Moate. Na omo mohuba wate. Na onfa uja enshu atamfo. Ene nkwasi afo. Nyame ema adom ene kese ewo moso. Na bro nyai. Asima make adwene ho. Na nesi